and welcome to our BMC Helix What's New video series. In this short video, I'll highlight a few of the key features in our 22.1 release. At every organization that uses BMC's solution, there are engineers who deliver services to their user. So let's talk about what we have done for these engineers to make their daily life of building and operating services easier. For engineers, log analytics services issues and supports identifying the root cause. Engineers get a UI-driven solution that makes it easy to ingest the many kinds of data contained in software logs. Being able to filter the data to include only what's desired concentrates the usefulness of the collected data. These new features enable engineers to spend less time configuring log collection while at the same time capturing the most useful information. That means faster resolution of issues and more time available for the engineers to build new services for the organization. For engineers, troubleshooting with logs for problem analysis can be difficult due to the lack of relevant context in the logs, and that can lead to many hours to identify a root cause. Log enrichment adds the needed context, for example, converting IP addresses to host names, and context makes log data more useful for searching, analysis, and troubleshooting. In addition, enriched data makes the events generated in operations management more actionable and easier to correlate to situations associated with services that are being monitored. Just as log data helps your team build and monitor services, Discover data is foundational for building accurate and up-to-date models of services. Without a continuously accurate understanding of a service, it is difficult for engineers to know the health of all components that make up the service. Managing any infrastructure, cloud-based or not, is time-consuming. To speed this effort, we have developed capabilities to use one Google Cloud credential for a company to discover their entire deployment without the need for SSH. The result is, with little effort, engineers know everything that is deployed and how it is supporting your business. This feature makes the management of services faster and easier and supplies service definition data to BMC decision-making solutions that play a key role in supporting important services. To assist engineers in managing their mainframe and distributed hybrid services, we have developed capabilities to discover and model the communication path between these two disparate systems. The result is engineers have a complete picture of the hybrid application that is supporting your business. This makes monitoring, capacity planning, and probable cause analysis for services faster and easier for engineers. We have made it faster and easier for engineers to scan all AWS accounts inside their organization. Even as their projects and initiatives evolve, the cloud engineers have a complete picture of how well all their AWS-based applications and services are supporting the business. This capability also ensures all AWS-based infrastructure data is supplied to consuming BMC solutions, enabling the engineers using those solutions to make better decisions. To enhance data for the infrastructure and service models, engineers can quickly configure the ingestion of asset and dependency information contained in third-party systems. The result is that engineers have a richer picture of all the infrastructure and applications that are supporting the business. More detailed data makes management of services easier and more exact, as well as supplying service definition data to BMC solutions supporting important services. Faster and more accurate decisions is the result of the additional infrastructure information coming from log data, discovered data, and integrated data. We empowered engineers by providing a quick publish service feature for operations management. Point and click at a set of infrastructure in the repository to define a grouping as a service. The engineer can quickly publish the created service model for a probable cause analysis at the business service level. Previously, we highlighted all the new data being fed to probable cause analysis. This new data makes it even easier for our AI and ML algorithms to identify situations that need attention, along with ranking the probable cause. All these capabilities mean personnel can react faster using the recommendations and detailed data at their fingertips. For improved decision-making, we have enhanced our capacity planning capability to ingest business service models and operation management metric data. Being able to plan and manage based on the precise components of the business service increases the certainty of the starting position for planning. Second, the ability to use metric data from operations management when modeling for future capacity plans increases the accuracy of those plans. With these improvements, architects and planners can work faster with less doubt to right-size business service capacity. For engineers exploring migrations of on-premise to cloud, cloud to cloud, or region-to-region moves, BMC is now providing a free solution to assist with the decision. This process leverages AI and ML-based performance characterization to find the optimal performance and cost destination for your workload. Despite the complexity of the task, with this solution, engineers can quickly determine the most promising configurations. The end goal for service issues is a resolution accomplished through some action. Our latest update for intelligent automation includes the option to create a change record and to set whether the change needs to be approved before the automation performs the task. The benefit for personnel is less manual effort is needed as the change creation is automatic, and it ensures an audit trail for the change exists for your environment. And as needed, it provides a human checkpoint for critical changes that are automated. Just as we've improved the life of engineers providing services, we have improved the experience for the end users who request these services. Designers use Workplace Studio to build workplaces specifically tailored for a particular department or group's activities. With the latest release, there is more capability in the studio to deliver workplaces that exceed users' expectations. For example, users can see status and take actions regarding their computer, mobile phone, monitor, printer, or any asset they use. Delivering both usability and power to the end user makes them happier and more productive. As mentioned, Workplace Studio is used to build workplaces for departments or groups. Knowledge and requestable offerings inside a workplace are presented in the way users want to consume them. For example, in the latest release, there are more ways to make in-context requests. Improved search capabilities for knowledge and requests, and images and rich text can be used to answer and ask questions. All this and much more enables the building of a workplace that exceeds end users' expectations. Making sure the user can get help anytime led us to making BMC Chatbot available at all times. This means with the help of AI, the chatbot can understand many different wordings for requests and knowledge. And this is good when the user has trouble navigating the structure of menus and categories to make a request. For end users, having another way to answer their question increases satisfaction and improves productivity. In this release, there are a set of improvements to better serve the end user by delivering speed, accessibility, and ease of use. These improvements give the end user a better experience, enable them to focus on their work. For end users and service personnel, the ability to receive natural language, actionable advice improves their productivity. A full-featured and easy-to-use knowledge authoring system results in the production of high-quality information. The result is more satisfied users who are more productive. This concludes this video on BMC Helix and what's new in our 22.1 release. For more information about BMC Helix, please visit the URL shown in the slide. Thanks for watching.